welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day. I have a small Walmart haul to share with you guys, but totally worth the share because I found new makeups and I could not help myself. I know I don't need any more makeup, I don't need any more eyeshadow palettes, but eyeshadow palettes are my weakness. Okay, we did find some DVDs that were $3.74. We always look. We have a huge, massive DVD collection. Maybe I'll insert a picture here. The first movie we picked up is Fury, and Shia LaBeouf's in this, Brad Pitt, John Bernthal from The Walking Dead. I can never remember his name, but he plays in so many movies that I like. And this is a really good movie. The next one, because I only picked up two, but we got Pain and Gain because this movie is really hilarious. And it is actually based on a real happening in Florida. So, yes, picked up these two for our DVD shelf. So, my husband is like the biggest DBZ fan, the biggest Dragon Ball Z fan like ever in my eyes anyways. So I looked into clothing last night. I was looking at the men's clothing because he needs a few new pieces as well for the upcoming fall and winter season. I found this long sleeve DBZ shirt, and it has it says Dragon Ball Z on the front. It has it, I'm assuming this is wrote in Japanese on this side. It's definitely Japanese. And this was $13, and I'm going to show you the back of it as well. Here is the back. Isn't it fantastic? Look at this big Goku, Vegeta, Krillin, Piccolo, and Gohan. And this is from the Namek Saga, if you're familiar with DBZ. So, yes, I picked up this shirt. I love it. I know he's going to love it. It's really soft material as well. And they also had, just a side note, they also, if you like Dragon Ball, they had Goku hats. They were pretty neat, but they were bright orange, and my husband's really not that much of a flashy person. The blue is a stretch for him, I'll be honest. He prefers blacks and grays, but I know that he'll wear this because he loves Dragon Ball that much. And the next item is a t-shirt from Dragon Ball Z. It has a big Goku on there, the circle, the orange, against the black tee. Once again, likes black t-shirts. And this was like $8. It says Dragon Ball Z here. So I know he'll love this one as well. This will probably be his favorite out of the two. Real soft tee material as well. And you can't beat the shirt prices. Under $20 for two Dragon Ball Z shirts. When online, you're lucky to get one t-shirt for $20 online. That's not with free shipping, and most of the time the shirts are more than $20. So these were a great find. And I always look at Walmart, and sometimes they have I've bought him two other Dragon Ball Z shirts at Walmart actually, and a Naruto shirt as well. They have other Naruto stuff now at Walmart as well, also Naruto hats if you like Naruto. Comment below if you watch any animes and what's your favorite anime. I like Dragon Ball Z. My overall favorite, I will say, is probably Naruto. I absolutely love Gaara. And I think my husband thinks I'm crazy for this, but I absolutely love Sasori's storyline and wish it was longer. Huge Naruto fan. Attack on Titans. There was this anime we watched, it was like Parasite. Sword Art Online. Oh my goodness, you guys. My Hero Academia. There's so many, but my favorite is Naruto. So comment below, what's your favorite anime? Two things I picked up from Dollar General. I just reviewed a ton of Believe Beauty products. I'm going to link that below. And I've been wanting to try the nail polishes, but they don't have a huge selection, and I have so many polishes, but I decided to go with these are $2.50 each at Dollar General, Gel Effects Top Coat. So I thought we'd do a testing out video and a review. And then I also picked up this beautiful dusty green shade. I thought this would be perfect for fall, and it's called Serene. Doesn't that just scream fall? But $5 at the Dollar General. picked those up. Found another new Profusion palette. This is the metallic palette, and I thought this would be a really good, nice item to have for like doing cut creases and stuff. They usually do metallics really well in this line. Mattes too. Actually, I have not got a palette that I've been super disappointed in. I've actually liked all the Profusion palettes I picked up. This was like $9.98, so $10 for this palette. You get 24 metallic eyeshadows, and they are all metallic. You also get a fluffy blending crease brush. Yeah, the camera's not doing it justice, but this palette is so beautiful. You have like a row of nudes, row of warm, row of cool. And I don't know, I thought it was worth $10 and to give it a try. Okay, next and final items. Told you it would be a small haul, but I'm so excited about these. I had no idea that WetnWild would come out with a Halloween line this year. They had 4 of these, so there was like a reddish one. I did not get that one, but honestly, the next time I'm at Walmart, if they still have it, I'll probably grab it. Just because now thinking about it, we could have done some really pretty looks with that palette, but that's neither near here nor there. So I can only assume that that one had a name of like a vampire or something to do with vampires, probably because it was red. So I picked up this one. This is my favorite out of the ones I'm gonna show you, and this one's called the Boo Crew. I'm such a big fan of blues and greens. This is so pretty. So you get 2 matte transition and outer corner colors, and you get all these pretty nice, a mixture of matte and shimmers, mainly shimmers, of other shadows in there. The next one that in line that's my favorite is actually called Coffin Break. Okay, and look at all these warm shades in there. I just know that we're going to be doing a look with those first. Once again, you get a matte black and this brown transition shade. The brown is a little bit darker and a little bit warmer in Coffin Break, but they both do have the black in there. I kind of wish that all the palettes didn't have the black in there, because if you bought all the palettes and you have like 4 matte blacks, you know. This one's called Wizards in Training. I'm such a huge Harry Potter fan. How can I not own this one? I'm not even that fond of the color scheme in this one, but honestly, I will say that I bought this one for the name. Yes. But some of them have really nice, fun duochrome shifts, and I love that. Also has a smaller matte black there. So all 3 of these palettes have that matte black. Look how pretty they are. So pretty. I hate that there's a glare, but I have to film in front of the window, otherwise we won't be able to see anything. Well, I thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more hauls. Definitely stay tuned for makeup looks. And I am trying to film a lot of Halloween nail tutorials this year. So here's one of them. A sneak peek coming at you soon. And this is a crime scene nail art. Yeah, pretty flattering, right? It's bloody disgusting. Anyways, so yeah, stay tuned for that kind of stuff. I already filmed Ghostface, Scream, nail art as well. So look forward to all these new videos. Thank you guys always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching.